Ever had leftover dal sitting in the fridge and wondered what to do with it? Here's a simple and delicious recipe that's also a perfect lunchbox treat: Dal Ki Roti. In a large bowl, add whole wheat flour, add carom seeds, finely chopped onions, salt, coriander powder, and cumin powder, freshly chopped green chilies, and ginger garlic paste. You can also skip the paste and use freshly chopped ginger instead. Add chopped fresh coriander leaves, and now the leftover dal. You can use any dal here, whether it's chana dal or moong dal. Mix everything together. Keep in mind, we are not adding any water at this stage, as the dal already brings in enough moisture. If needed, add a little water gradually to make it soft. Once it comes together, add a little oil and knead again. Let it rest for a few minutes. Now, divide the dough into equal portions and roll them into rotis. Heat a pan on medium flame. Place the rolled roti onto the hot pan. Let it cook on one side, then flip. Apply a little ghee and cook until both sides turn golden brown and slightly crispy. Your dal ki roti is ready. Crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, and packed with flavor. Serve it hot with pickle, curd, or a simple chutney. A perfect way to transform leftovers into something truly delightful. Until next time, eat well, live well, and stay blessed.